Good morning, students. Today my class is 7th class Maths chapter 5 lines and angles exercise 5.1. Before going to this class, please subscribe King Classroom for Maths online Maths and computer classes. Now coming to the class 7th class Maths chapter 5 lines and angles exercise 5.1. All problems given solutions here. First one, find the complementary of each of the following angles. Here the angles are given. So first one angle 20, angle 63, angle 57. Solution. The sum of complementary angles is always 90 degrees. If the given angle is x, then we can find the complementary angle by subtracting x from 90 degrees. So given angle is 20. So complementary angle of 20 is 90 minus given angle is 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 degrees. So second one given angle is 63. Complementary angle of 63 is equals to 90 minus given angle, that is equal to 27. 90 minus 63 27. Given angle is 57. Complementary of 57 angle 57 is 90 minus given angle 90 minus 57 is equal to 33. Second one, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Same solution. In the pair of angles, if the sum of values of angles is always equal to that of 180 degrees, then the angles are known as the supplementary angles. If the given angle is x, then we find the supplementary by subtracting x from 180. Given angle is equal to 105. So supplementary angle is of 105 is equal to 180 minus 105, that is equal to 75. Given angle is equal to 87. Supplementary of angle 87 is equal to 180 minus 87 is equal to 93. Given angle is equal to 154. Supplementary of angle is equal 154 is equal to 180 minus 154 is equal to 26. Third one, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. We use the basic definition of the complementary and supplementary angles to solve the question. We have to solve for supplementary angle or complementary angles. Are 65 115. The sum of measure of two angles is equals to 180. Therefore, the two angles are supplementary. 63 plus 27, the sum of measure of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. 63 plus 27 is equal to 90. Therefore, the two angles are complementary. 112 comma 68. Sum of measure of angles measure of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. 112 plus 68 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, the two angles are supplementary. 130 comma 50. Sum of measure of two angles is equal to 130 plus 50 degrees is equal to 180. Therefore, the two angles are supplementary. So, 45 45. Sum of measures of two angles is equals to 45 plus 45 is equal to 90. Therefore, the two supplementary two angles are complementary. 80 comma 10. Sum of measure of these two angles is equals to 80 plus 10 is equal to 90. Therefore, the two angles are complementary. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Solution. Complementary angles are those angles that add up 90 degrees. Let's the angle is be x. Therefore, the complementary of angles will also be x, since it's given that the angle is equals to its complementary. We know that the sum of measure of pair of complementary angles is equals to 90 degrees. X plus x is equal to 90, 2x is equal to 90, x is equal to 90 by 2, that is equal to x is equal to 45. So each angle is 45. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Same. Supplementary angles are those angles the sum up to 180 degrees. Let an angle be x. Therefore supplementary of this angle will be also be x. We know that the sum of measure of pair of angles is equal supplementary angles is equals to 180. So x plus x is equals to 180. 2x is equals to 180 degrees. X is equals to 180 by 2. So x is equals to 90 degrees. Sixth problem. If the given figure angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, if the angle 1 is decreased, what changes taken place in angle 2? So the both angles remain both the angles remain supplementary. This is the figure. We use the basic definition of supplementary angles to solve the problem given. Let's solve this problem visually. There are two operations done in sequence. First, if one of angle is decreased, then the other angle will be decreased, but these sum of still remain the same. That is 180 degrees. According to this model, the resultant sum of angles, angle 1 and angle 2 will be remain 180 degrees. Hence, if angle 1 decreased by some degrees, then angle 2 will be decreased by same degrees. So both will be remain supplementary. So both will be remain supplementary. So seventh problem. Seventh problem. Can two angles be supplementary if both them are acute, obtuse and right? Solution. The supplementary angles are those angles that always be add up 180 degrees and are pi radius. No. The sum of acute angles is less than 180 degrees. No. The sum of obtuse angles is greater than 180 degrees. Yes, the sum of two right angles is 180 degrees. Eighth one. An angle is greater than 45. Is its complementary angle is greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? Solution. We use the basic concept of supplementary angles adding up to 180 degrees to solve the question. Let us represent the angle by angle 1 and its complementary angle by angle 2. Let's visually model this program. There are two operations done in sequence. Let's take angle 1 greater than 45 and as given in the question, and then angle 2 is to both sides of the equation. Then add angle to both sides of the equation. Adding angle 2 to both sides, we will get angle 1 plus angle 2 greater than 45 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees greater than 45 plus angle 2. So angle 90 minus 45 is greater than angle 2. So 45 greater than 2. Therefore, its complementary angle will be less than 45 degrees. Fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, the sum of their measure is like that here given the three problems. We use the geometry concept like supplementary angles, vertically opposite angles and adjacent angles to solve this problem. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is 190 degrees. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is 180 degrees. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form a linear pair. Adjacent angles means side angles. So last problem, 10th. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. Obtuse vertically opposite angles, adjacent complementary angles, equal supplementary angles, unequal supplementary angles, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Solution. This is the diagram. Solution. We use the geometric concept like supplementary angles, vertically opposite angles and adjacent angles to solve this problem. First one. Obtuse vertically opposite angle mean angle greater than 90 degrees and form a pair of vertically opposite angles. So the angles are angle AOD, angle BOC, angle AOD and angle BOC. They are greater than 90 degrees. Adjacent complementary angles are those angles that have one common vertex and one common arm, no common arms, none common arms, are either sides of the common arms and their sum is equal to 90 degrees. That equals to angle EOA, angle EOA, EOA and angle AOB are adjacent complementary angles. AOB are adjacent complementary angles. These two equals to 90 degrees. Third one, equal supplementary angles have sum of the angles 180 degrees and supplementary angles are equal. Angle EOB and angle EOD. Good morning, sir. Angle EOB, angle EOB and angle EOD are supplementary angles. Unequal supplementary angles have sum of angles 180 degrees and supplementary are unequal. Angle EOA, angle EOC form a pair of unequal supplementary angles. Angle EOA, EOA, angle EOC form a sum of supplementary unequal supplementary angles. Adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Linear pairs are adjacent angles whose sum equals to 180. Angle AOB, angle AOE, angle AOB, angle AOB and angle AOE, comma, angle AOE and angle EOD, angle AOE, angle AOD. These and EOD, angle EOD and angle COD. EOD, angle COD. These are adjacent angles that do not form a linear pairs. Thank you. Watch complete video. Thank you to watch. Thank you.